I'm coming, I can't get up! Okay, go! I'm following you. I'll do following instead of going behind you. It's an epic fail. I'm trying to stand up while doing it. I've never filmed someone while I'm snowboarding. It's kind of hard. I can't watch where I'm going. Don't kill yourself. If you die, your mom's gonna kill me. Come on. Go ahead of me.
Try to impress Craig by kissing.
Yeah, that didn't happen. It's a long video. You're way too good. This is like ridiculous. Oh my god. If you show this video to anyone who's ever snowboarded, it's gonna be like, what the hell? Yes, that's on video! You okay? It's okay, we all know. Uh-oh, I'm in the way. It's okay, you tried. You've been doing good, so. You're just tired, it's the end of the day, don't worry.